sharing. Now you see it?
Yep, got it.
Okay, okay, all right. So we're back in business. Okay. So, anyway, so I put my, and this is what she really needed to see this, but I put my picture in there, and then how my legs are over the top of everything else. I don't know if I want it like that. So you can position and put yourself backwards, but y'all won't do that. I'm gonna go ahead and go front. Put myself back in the front. What is it doing? Why is it doing that? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go back and put put it back on the front. But with these words here, those come with the text here. And it's kind of like one of these. You could use this glow, but you could change it to the what to whatever. And it's gonna stand out. Whatever word you put there, it's gonna stand out. If you pull it here, oh, wrong thing. Pull it here, it's gonna make it longer. So it's only gonna be in, I don't know how to spell my name. It's gonna be in a line like that. But you can just take it off. But it's a lot of things that you can do here on Canva. It's a lot of things that you can do here on Canva free, and it's a lot of things that you can do here on Canva paid. Like I said, if you don't have a Canva account, um, and or if you have the free Canva account and you're just trying to think if you want to pay for it monthly, it's definitely worth it. It beats going to Fiverr and getting, these designers that don't understand your vision when you know what you want. Um, I do also have, you can go to my website. I do also have another one-on-one course, a Canva one-on-one course that you can take with me, and I'll show you how you can get to that. So you can go to my website, www.samanthajacks.com, or you can go to sevenlipsandlashes.com. Just go on over to downloads and courses. Um, this is almost everything that I offer outside of my merchandise. I don't really have merchandise on here. My merchandise you're gonna see on my website, or you're gonna see on my Amazon store, because I got an Amazon store as well, and that's Samantha Jack. So you can look me up on that. But um you can come over here and go down right here to the free Canva workshop and just click on that and scroll down, and here's the link right here. If you click on my link right here, you can get the Canva. You can even get the free trial if you don't have it. Get the free trial, or you could get the paid trial. Um, the paid trial is definitely worth it. I'm not just saying that because, I mess with it, but I'm saying it because, it's definitely worth it. I worked with Photoshop for years, and I still work with Photoshop. But a lot of the things that I took my time to do in Photoshop, you don't necessarily need to do all of that with using Canva. So I would say it's worth it, but hey, what do I know? But like I said, you can get the link there. And then my one-on-one is underneath my business concierge service. I got so many services under here. I don't know if you've ever went to my website to review my information. However, I'm going to show you now since we're all on here. So if you want to learn beyond the Canva, that the free Canva workshop that we just did, you definitely can. You could just come on over here to my business concierge service. These are some of the services that we offer. All of them aren't even listed, but over to the side, you do see the pricing. If you need help with your Shopify, we can help you with that. And it's a whole list of things. However, here's the one for Canva. If you want me to sit with you for 2 hours, watch you begin to design, teach you the ins and outs of the color scheme, show you some more techniques as far as designing not only flyers, but doing PowerPoints. There are a lot of things you can do on here, not just flyers, designs for t-shirts, design for coffee cups. If you have products, you can do designs for your products on here. So we can get all of that into that 2 hours. And then after that, you have 30 days to contact me and ask me any questions, and I will assist you within that 30 days. That class is only $125, as you can see right there. If you go to my website, go over to downloads. Once you get to downloads, you can click on Business Concierge and look over to the right hand side, go down to the Canva one on one, go ahead and get signed up. Make sure you put your accurate phone number and email, and I'll get right back with you, or someone from my administrative team will get back with you so that we could go ahead and get you started to making the bag. Um, I definitely would not teach you anything that I have not already done myself. Um, I definitely would not teach you anything that I have not done myself. So yeah, make sure you guys stay connected. Go on over to that website, get signed up. Also, when you go over to our website, you can subscribe. I am going to change this, but you can subscribe down at the bottom of the site. Subscribe at the bottom of the site. Also, before we go, I do want to let you know about our mental health nonprofit organization, um, which is Reach, a resource educating American communities. And what we do is bridge the gap between the communities and the medical professionals. What our goal is to cover the cost for those that would like to go to therapy services and do not have the funds to be able to do so. We would like to cover that cost. So you can also go over to our website and you can get that additional information there. You can also donate. There is a donate button. So feel free if you would like to donate. If you don't want to donate, you don't have to. You can just share the information. If you want to donate products, you can donate products, because at some point we will be having giveaways and giving away goodie bags and things of that nature, and going to speak with the young ladies at the DJJ and giving them goodie bags as well. So, if that's the way that you would like to give, you can definitely do that. Our mailing address is P.O. Box 387, Malden, that's Mauldin, South Carolina 29662. Or you can email me at Samantha Jacks, the number 7, at gmail.com. Let's see here. Are we missing anything? Oh yeah, our vending kiosk. Got a few minutes left. So our vending kiosk. Listen, if you have any type of beauty product that you would like sold, right now we're booking for the mall in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We have a kiosk that'll be landing in Grand Rapids, Michigan here pretty soon. And it's going to be housed in the eatery. So it's going to have a very, very good location. If you believe in your product and you've only sold your product in your area, look no more. We are that marketing source for you. We will market for you. We will also sell for you. We also have someone that will be housing your products once they sell out. We definitely have someone that's going to be able to go right in and get it filled right back up. So if this is something that it sounds like you and your business will be interested in, again, email me at Samantha Jacks, the number 7 at gmail.com. Let's set up a call. We can definitely talk about getting your amazing products in there. And here's our flyer. You probably seen this on Instagram or Facebook, but here is our one that'll be going in the mall in Michigan. And I want to tell you a little bit more about it, because we had a specific vision for our beauty kiosk. We didn't want it to be like the normal like a normal vending machine. That's the reason that we call it a kiosk, because it is a tad bit different. It is pandemic friendly, and we have a 19-inch touchscreen here. We do have over 150 slots inside of the kiosk for merchandise, as well as on the front. We have 3 lockers for display or for sale of items. However, I do believe that those are just going to be for display. So if you would like to just advertise your product inside of our kiosk, you can do that as well. Um, on this side, these are 12 custom lockers. We wanted to get that because we wanted to make sure that there was enough room for all of our big items for the kiosks that'll be going into hotels. So we wanted to make sure that there was room enough to put detergents and things of that nature. So yeah, we're doing big things. Our kiosks are gonna be in some amazing places right now. It is being looked at by Clemson University, and it's also being looked at a fleet of 10 hotels. So if you want to go ahead and get your amazing product in there, you better go ahead and get your product in there now. We are going to be making waves with this baby. Listen, we are going to be having this kiosk in so many different facilities, because it's needed and it is convenient. So if you would like to add your product, make sure you get with me. Let me know. And like I said, if you want to expand on your Canva class, or you want to expand on any other offers that we have underneath our business concierge service, make sure you get with me, email me, DM me. I probably won't get to a DM really quick. But you can email me. I can get to an email a lot faster than I will a DM. But yeah, get with me. I definitely appreciate everyone that has come today to the class. We definitely appreciate you. We definitely appreciate you for coming. It means a lot to me that you all show up. There will be a replay. I will be putting this up on my YouTube channel. So make sure you follow me on YouTube at I am Samantha Jacks. Yes. Make sure you follow your girl at I am Samantha Jacks. I go ahead and turn my camera off. Oh, hold on. I stopped sharing, didn't I? Hold on. Let me see. Now how I make my screen back big. Uh-oh. What I do? What I do? Keela. I don't know what I did. I don't know how to make it back big. Okay, but anyway, so as I was saying, um amazing, amazing class. Thank you guys so much for showing up and getting that free knowledge. We are going to be doing this class again, but if you would like to expand beyond just the basics that we went over, make sure you go to my website. Look under business concierge, and there is details of the additional class that I do offer. There are other services that I offer under there, so make sure you check it out. Again, thank you all for showing up, and I hope the information that I've shared with you has been helpful, and we are definitely going to do this again. Thank you so much for coming to rock out with your girl, Samantha Jacks. Get with you soon.